What's up, greens and cornbread family? Welcome back to another video. I want you guys to go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you hit that notification bell and make sure you share this video. So today I'm going to be making Parmesan crusted chicken breast, and y'all, I'm telling you, this recipe is so simple, so easy, and so dang on good. So right here I am seasoning up my chicken breast with some onion powder, garlic powder, salt, pepper, adobo, some smoked paprika. I'm gonna use a little bit of oil, some accent, and we're just gonna mix that all together on the chicken and get it nicely coated. And also I'm using some Mrs. Dash onion and garlic herb. Alrighty, you guys, so right here I'm just gonna get my cast iron skillet. I'm gonna put some oil in it and get it nice and hot because I'm gonna get ready to lay my chicken down, and you just need this skillet to be hot. After your skillet gets hot, go ahead and lay your chicken in there and sear it on both sides for about 5 minutes or until golden brown, or just to your liking. Alright, you guys, I really do apologize for not showing y'all when I cooked this chicken, but I completely forgot to turn my camera on and it was staring at the skillet and it wasn't even cooking. But here's a little bit of the ending of me taking it out and cooking it, and now I'm about to get ready to make the sauce. Alrighty, so this sauce is made out of ranch, and it could be any type of ranch you want, homemade. This is store-bought. I use Hidden Valley. And we're going to put some Parmesan in it, and make sure you throw this in the microwave for about a minute or two so that cheese can melt a little bit. Okay, so right here I'm just going to add that ranch and Parmesan cheese on top. I'm telling you guys, this mixture is so good. It just goes perfect, like with it, like it's just a perfect combination. It just goes together well. Like, I love it. Alrighty, so I toasted this bread in the oven. I put the oven on broil to get it toasted because I don't have any breadcrumbs, so I'm just going to make my own. So that last part of the ending video, what I was doing was getting me a piece of bread and toasting it in the oven, and this is just when it's done, and I'm about to get ready to put it in my Ninja to get it to those crumbs that I would like them. And I'm just going to add a little bit of Parmesan cheese just for taste, and a little parsley as well. Okay, you guys, so after you have added the breadcrumbs and added a little bit more Parmesan cheese and a little bit more of that ranch and Parmesan sauce, you're just gonna pop it in the oven on broil. I would just keep an eye on it until it gets to the way you actually like it. And oh my god, just to look at how beautiful this came out, you guys. Like, my husband fell in love with this. He said the chicken was tender. He said the sauce went perfectly with it. I completely agree with him, and this is definitely going to be my go-to meal. I would definitely pair this with a salad and some wine. Also, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you like this video, share this video, and make sure you hit that notification bell so you can be notified once we drop more videos. Alrighty, you guys, we will see you on the next video. We are out, Greens and Cornbread family. Have a great rest of your day. Bye bye.